Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take photo in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, you go to open camera in your phone. Okay, this is the camera icon. Just click on it. By default, it is on photo option. Suppose if it is on other option like night portrait, you go to click on photo. Then you can just shoot pictures. Okay, so here I am going to take a picture of this. Okay, this is the subject. This biscuit is the subject for me, and to take a clear image, you have to click on, you have to just touch on the biscuit so that biscuit will be focused. Yes, if you long press on it, focus will be fixed there, and then you have to click on this shutter button. This is the shutter button. Okay, yes, captured. Okay, you can take a different photo. Okay, I am going to take this one. Okay, now yes, I am going to take my hand as a picture. See, now open the picture. To open, click here, and this is the picture that I took using my camera. Okay, see, yes, so this way you can easily take photo. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.